There's a Goodman gas pack right here that's running. It's actually quite quiet. Oh, it stinks. I'm pretty sure this has... Now, there's a camera, so I'm gonna go to the other side where it looks like a Trane XB. I'm gonna wait. Oh, actually, I can cross now. So there's actually 2 units over here. I think one of them is actually running. That looks like a... Oh, that's a Lennox. Oh, here's a Trane XE1200. Let's see. Climate tough reciprocating compressor. This is from 1999. This one's running. Oh, it just turned off. Sounded like a Copeland recip. I'll wait and see. This looks like the Lennox near my house. I'm just gonna wait until it turns off. Where's the data? 2004. I think it's a 3-ton. Can't see the compressor, but this unit was loud. I'm gonna wait. Can't really tell what kind of compressor it has. Oh wait, there it is. I think it's a squirrel, I'm not sure. And there's 2 more Trane XEs. So yeah. Oh, there's another one up there too. I think that one might be running. Let's go find more air conditioners.